Today, we will take you into our Sollant compressor factory to uncover the story behind our production. Shanghai Sollant was established in 2004 and has 21 years industry experience. Our factory covers an area of 30,000 square meters, equivalent to 64 basketball courts, and operates 4 production lines, producing tens of thousands of compressors for clients over the world. The wall you see here is filled with photos of our customers. Over the past 31 years, Sollant have exported air compressors to more than 150 countries and established official distributions in over 20 countries over the world. This entire wall is dedicated to our patents. Each patent represents the innovation, expertise, and dedication of all our R&D team, reflecting Sollant's continuous commitment to technological advancements. This workshop is one of our core production areas, which produce both electronic control panels and piping systems. The workshop where currently focuses on small air compressors. These models are compact, flexible, energy efficient, and easy to operate, ideal for a wide range of applications. Next, you will see our large machine workshop. The air compressors produced here are larger and more powerful, designed for high performance and long-term continuous operation. Whether small or large, our production line follows strict manufacturing procedures. Factory production depends on reliable components. This is our parts warehouse, where a wide range of components are carefully stored to ensure the efficient and stable operation of our Sollant air compressor. Quality is the lifeblood of the Sollant factory. In this testing area, our air compressor is also tested for pressure, stability, and noise levels, ensuring that only reliable products leave our factory. All compressors that pass all tests are stored in our finished goods warehouse, awaiting packaging and shipment. This area serves as a temporary staging zone to ensure an efficient and organized shipping process. After production and testing, the compressors move to the packaging area. Each unit is professionally packaged to ensure safe transportation and prevent damage, guaranteeing on-time delivery to our customers. You can see our factory and equipment, but you can't see our dedication and perseverance. This commitment enables Sollant to provide efficient, energy-saving, and reliable air compressor solutions. If you're interested in our Sollant, please contact us freely.